Hello, learners. In this video, we are going to learn about how to read the CSV file as a dictionary. In the last class, we have learned about dictionary data type, or you can say dictionary built-in data structures. In that, we have seen about how to access the value and also how to write a dictionary in Python. Right. So in this video, we are going to learn about how to open a CSV file and read all the data of a CSV file as a dictionary. So I already created a CSV file with the here with the head contains names.csv file. In this CSV file, I have added some details like roll number, name, and percentage of a particular student. Okay. So and this data are written here, right? So I will say CSV means it's a comma separated value. The file contains the value which is separated by a comma. Okay, so I created this file. I have to read all the data from this particular file in my program here. Okay, using the dictionary, right? How to use this or how to read the values with the help of dictionaries, right? So to make any operation on the CSV file, so we have the built-in module, say CSV. I'll say import CSV file. Import CSV. It's a built-in library to make any operation on a CSV file. Okay. Now, first, okay. So before reading any values, okay, to read any file, okay, from to a particular Python, so just to read any data from a particular file, first you have to open that particular file. So in Python we have something called as with open. So let me open. Then I have to write a name of the file, say name.csv, right? So comma, right? So I have to open in the reading mode. So I'll mention as R reading mode. Yes. Next, I'll say as a object. So I'll write file object. Yes. So I'm saying this. I'm opening a file with the name.csv in the reading mode. Okay. Now, as file means now it is open as a file object. Okay. Right. So after when I'm opening file, now I have to read the data. So to read the data from this CSV file, we have this called as dict reader function, and it will read the content of a CSV file as a dictionary. So I'll create an object, say read, or you can say data, okay, is equal to, I'll say CSV dot dictionary reader from the where I have to read from the file object, right? From file, right? I got the dictionary. So I'll just print the data. So you got the dictionary reader object. Okay, so to read the data. So if you want to see the result means you have to convert to a list. So I have to convert this first to a list, right? I can say data is equal to list of data. Okay, so I can update the list. I can see the result. So I got all the content of the CSV file in a list of dictionaries. Now each dictionary contains a key value there. Now key is the roll number and value in this particular time. Okay. Okay, so now I got a list of dictionaries. Now I have to instead of printing directly, so I have to print the value one by one. So how to access one by one? So it is a list of dictionaries. So I need first I have to access each dictionary from a list. So for that we have the loop before I can say okay, the row. So each row in data, right? Okay. So I'll say print row. First I'll write print row. Now I'll get each dictionary. Now I'm going to access each dictionary from that list of dictionaries. Right. So I got the separate dictionaries. Right. After that, when I got this particular row, now to access each value, right? Now to get the each value from this particular dictionary, I'll say, right, row. So if I write row of name, right? When I write this row of name, now I will get name of each rows. Okay, that's Vishnu, Prabhu, Murthy. I will access this name of each row from a particular dictionary. Right? So I got only the names. Right. In the same way, I can print multiple things. I can say row of roll number. Okay, I'll say roll number. So I'll write this roll number first. Comma, row of roll number, comma. That's a row of last one is percentage, right? So I'll write percentage of percentage. Right. So now I've got the values from that particular CSV file in the content, right? So this is the procedure you have to follow when I have to read the particular data from a CSV file. So